Of the half a dozen special assistants, senior special assistants he has approved for my office, the President has graciously appointed 3 indigenes of Imo State. My senior special assistant media, Stanley Unkocha, is from Opala local government area here in Imo State. My senior special assistant, Agriculture, Business and Productivity, Dr. Kingsley Uzoma, is an indigene of Imo State. So also is my special assistant on public health, Uju Rochas Okorocha, is also an indigene of Imo State. Governor Hope Uzodimma has done exceedingly well in terms of infrastructural development, in terms of value addition to the state of Imo. From a paltry 16 billion, he has increased the IGR to over 30 billion per annum. He has built some of the state-of-the-art roads here in Imo State for the purpose of consolidation and continuity. It's exceedingly important for the people of Imo to rally around this gentleman and get him re-elected to a second term. You may not appreciate him, but in the fullness of time, you will come to realize how important he is in the politics of Ndigbo. The Igbos were described by the late Ali Mazrui as the Nigerian Jews, geographically mobile, economically enterprising, and educationally ambitious. But the Ndigbo cannot afford to play in the periphery of Nigerian politics. Governor Hope Uzodimma is at the vanguard of bringing forth Ndigbo into the mainstream of Nigerian politics. The good people of Imo, I have seen your faces. I have seen the faces of hope. I have seen the faces of resilience and determination. But mind you, Rome was not destroyed by outside invaders. Rome was destroyed by the complacency of the Romans. We cannot afford to be complacent on the 11th of next month. We should all come out in full force and re-elect our governor to another term of 4 years for him to complete his noble objectives for the people of Imo State. I want to reiterate that the president is solidly 1,000% behind Governor Hope Uzodimma. He holds him in the highest esteem. I'll be coming back. We are coming back with Governor Ikeji Hakim and my brother Owele Rochas and I Okorocha. So I will rally around our people and get him re-elected. I want to thank you most sincerely on behalf of the President for coming out en masse and for giving us a very warm reception and an enthusiastic welcome. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. God bless Imo State. God bless Governor Hope Uzodimma.